2019 is just around the corner, and one of the things that I do to start the new year off right is create a vision board. Actually, that's how I met one of my YouTube sisters, Miss V. She was hosting a vision board challenge for 2018 and I jumped in. Well, she's doing it again, but this year she was kind enough to ask me to co-host it with her. So today we are asking you to join us in our 2019 vision board collaboration. It's an open invitation to you to set some 2019 goals and then create a vision board and share it with all of us. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. And if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. This will be the third year in a row that I have created a vision board. And what I find is that when I not only write down my goals, but put them in a way that I can visualize them, I make more progress toward my goals. Some of them I achieve, some of them I just make progress on, and some of them are ongoing. So making a vision board is definitely something I want to continue to do. So V and I are asking you to create a vision board for yourself and your family, and particularly for your YouTube channel if you're a creator, and share it with all of us. Okay, so how do you create a vision board? Well, you cut out pictures from magazines and newspapers. Maybe you print out pictures that you find online, or you take pictures of things, events, activities that you want to manifest in your life. And you put them on a board in such a way that it's pleasing, and then you hang the board somewhere in your home where you can see it every day. That way you keep your vision board front and center, so that your goals, your 2019 goals, are front and center. So if you want to create a goal for, let's say, your YouTube channel, then maybe you might print off the YouTube logo and paste that on a board, and then maybe you might write underneath there 2,000 subscribers or 5,000 subscribers as one of your goals for 2019. But it's really quite easy, and you can do it any way you want, but the easiest way is to take pictures from old magazines and newspapers and that kind of thing and put them all together. Let me show you my vision board from last year. First of all, I chose a word that would guide me through the year, and the word was refocus. I wanted to refocus on several areas of my life, including my activity, my health, my exercise. So here's a picture that I took of myself doing my yoga and Pilates. And there's more things here related to working out and just being able to find the time to do those things that are important to me, being able to relax more. But I also set some financial goals as well as goals for my house. So here I wanted to be able to really get my budget situated, to sort out that retirement budget, focus in on cleaning the house using the Fly Lady cleaning system, and then of course the Dream It 2018, trying to focus on my Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, getting comfortable with social media. And I set some particular goals for YouTube, one of which was to achieve 1,000 subscribers, and I did that. Didn't do much with Facebook, but I did begin to learn how to use Instagram, so I made some progress there. More work to do, but getting there. I also put some goals together regarding relationships. So here's me and my husband, and I found this little saying, happy spouse, healthy you, because healthy and happy spouses make for better marriages. So I always try to put something regarding he and I on my mission boards and my vision boards. I wanted to get new bedroom furniture for 2018. That didn't happen. We ended up getting new family room furniture. So hopefully 2019 will see that goal realized. And let's see. So you see that there's more things on there for me than there is for like us. But there are certainly things for me regarding us and him, regarding our home, and then of course regarding YouTube. So as you can see, when you create a vision board, what you do is you print off pictures of things that you want to manifest or things that you want to have happen in your life. You can use word art. I think I found this sticker at the Dollar Tree. And just all kinds of things, magazines and newspapers and different places like that. I'll be creating new goals for 2019 and a new vision board. And we are asking you to join us in goal setting for 2019 and in making a vision board for yourself. And then upload it and share it with us. Creating a vision board is not only a great way to visualize your board, keeping things front and center, but it's also a good way to get an accountability partner if you want one. When you share that vision board with someone else, they can come back to you and say, okay, so how are you doing on such and such a goal? Okay, so here are the details. 1, create a vision board that captures your goals for 2019. 2, make a video sharing your vision board and your goals. 3, title your video Vision Board 2019 Collaboration #2019 Goals. 4, be sure to include the hashtag 2019 Goals in your description box and in the title. Hopefully this will populate your video in the playlist without any problems. But every now and then, if there's a little hiccup, we will have a playlist available so that you can upload your video to the playlist yourself. Should you have any trouble, contact us and we will help you out. Number 5, make sure you mention Miss V and myself, This and That with Denise Jordan, in your video and link it in the description box. Also, place a link to the playlist in your description box and check to make sure your video went into the playlist, because sometimes for whatever reason it doesn't happen. So check to make sure that your video did go into the playlist. Now let's talk about upload date. The upload date is January 2nd, 2019. Gosh, 2019, can you believe it? But anyway, the upload date is January 2nd, 2019 after 7 a.m. Eastern. Again, that is January 2nd, 2019 after 7 a.m. Eastern. So please check your time zone to make sure that you don't upload your video any earlier than 7 a.m. 2019 on January 2nd Eastern Standard Time. Creating a vision board is so helpful. My daughter does this every year with her family. She makes her children create them, and they are so excited about creating vision boards. But they know the process. So it's something that not only you can do, but you can do it with your family. So I'm going to ask her to join our collaboration too. We'll see what happens with that. But anyway, I'm digressing. So share this invitation with as many people as possible. It really should be a lot of fun, and it can be so helpful. And not only that, but in our YouTube community, you'll be able to ask each other about something that you saw on their vision board. For example, when I was talking to V the other day, she said, I remember you put Instagram on your vision board last year and looks like you're getting it done. Well, I'm getting there. I'm making progress toward that goal. I finally figured out how I'm supposed to use Instagram. Now I've got to learn how to be consistent. So anyway, that's it. Those are the details for the collaboration. And the title again is Vision Board 2019 Collaboration Open Invitation #2019 Goals. So please join us. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not visited Miss V's channel, I encourage you to do so. You will enjoy what she does over there. She has inspired me in so many ways, and she is the one who inspired me to do my shout out Sundays. So please, if you're not familiar with her channel, check her out. You will definitely enjoy what she does over there. One of her main priorities for her channel is to show love and to inspire people, and she does that. So please check her out. Now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to take some time to think about my goals for 2019 and be putting together my vision board. I hope you're going to join us.